Top of the morning to you, part-timers. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a Minecraft bookshelf that I made that's actually somewhat useful. But before we begin, I think it's best if I give you guys some context. So a couple of weeks ago, I saw that there was a noticeable gap in between my brother's bed and the wall itself. And I didn't really like that because he kept on putting all of his stuff on top of a custom Minecraft cardboard crafting table that I made. So I wanted to make something that he could put all of his stuff on top of or inside. I eventually decided upon making a bookshelf, and the books were going to be drawers that you could slide in and out. And it also had a back plate that you can open for easy access. So with that in mind, I began making. Now for this, I didn't really have any sort of plan set out. I kind of just went with the flow. And if something didn't work, I found out how to fix it. Now it's time to just put some of it together, and then we can work our way from there. Alright, so these are going to be the filler pieces. To give you a recap, dude, look at this. I got drawers working. Drawers on there, not only in there, but also working, because you got these support beams right here, these two boards right here, because this kept on getting stuck back here. Now all I need to do is put this on, these two things on. Alright, so I put the cabinet faces on. That's great. All I need to do now is cut all the little intricate pieces for this. So I got the first top pieces done. I still need to put top and back plate on. And then after that, I can finally move on to filling a whole bunch of holes. And I can start working on wood putty, sanding that, and then painting. It's gonna be so nice though. But yeah, hey, I am not going to be able to finish them all today because I have a birthday party to attend. So this is it after I brought it home. Basically, got these done, right? Every single little one. Yep, just pull it out. Look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, so I put some wood putty on this and sanded it down. Now I'm gonna make a time lapse of me filling in these top halves. You know what? I am hungry. Let's go get something to eat. Just gonna do a time lapse anyways. So this first coat of drywall mud. Still got some cracks I need to fill up. I'm still waiting for this to dry. So all the nice smooth corners sanded and everything. Oh, we're gonna spray paint the rest of this. And it's spray painted. Second coat of paint that's on here, and it's not the best in terms of like color and everything because I didn't have enough white to be able to make it look like the actual thing from Minecraft. After all of that work, I finally got this done. I have to pull it out like that, but yeah, this looks really nice. I'm gonna be going over here and putting it right here.
Wait, I thought you were gonna put it between the bed and the wall.
Well, that was the original plan, but in the middle of me making it, my brother put the fridge there. So what we're gonna need to do now is just set it on top until we can move it over to here. Anyways, so in the meantime, we're gonna be putting it on top of here. Okay, so let's put it on there. And there we have it. It's all put together. Looks really nice, especially with all the paint. Hey guys, so this is my least favorite part of the video, but I just wanted to say, if you like the content that I make, please consider subscribing or liking the video. Anyways, with that aside, let's get back onto the video. So after this, I made a TikTok video asking you guys what you thought about it, and the majority of people thought it looked good. So I think I'm not going to put any handles on it. Although it would make it look nicer, I think I'm going to leave it for the aesthetic. This obviously isn't life-sized. However, if you want to see something that is life-sized, I made a giant 7-foot, 7-inch tall Minecraft Herobrine statue. So if you want to check that video, you can check it out. I don't know if it's going to be this side, middle. Don't know where it's going to be, but if you want to see that, you can check it out. Also, if you want to see me making a homemade forge, you can check out the video on my channel. I don't know if it's pinned or anything, but you can check that out if you want to see it. And with that said, I'll see you guys later. Bye.